So unfortunately, I sold my hot tub. Couldn't get it working. But hey, the guy was happy to have it. He had a way to do it. But guess what? It's on sale at Costco. So I'm getting a new one. Let's go enjoy, guys. Oh, look at this. Laguna, SaluSpa. Only a couple left. $2.99, $100 off. Bingo bango. Let's roll. See, that's perfection right there. Hot tub in the back of your truck. It was the evening. What is it? 6:54 back home now. Gonna have dinner. And I'm gonna go set this up. And then hopefully in a day or two, it'll be ready to roll. So let's get cracking. All right. Ready to open that bad boy up? Just joking. All right, here's a big reveal. What's inside? Open it up. And that's why I don't use an X-Acto knife, or a utility knife, sorry. Utility knife. It's right here. Yep, you know that side, honey. All right, so we got 2 pieces. This is probably the, ooh. I think it's a foam insulation right here. This is the top, or the top, maybe the cover top. Anyway, let's open it and see what's inside. Each part. So this is, I believe, the top cover. All right, so this is actually pretty cool. This is the cover that goes around the side of the hot tub. This is the bladder that we inflate. I'm gonna partially inflate it, but this is the attachment. You just screw it in, and this is where the air is gonna go in, and I'll show you that. And then we're gonna partially inflate this. Then I'm gonna put the cover around. Then I'm gonna take it outside and finish it out there. And then this here is the cover for the top. And yeah, it's cover for the top. So let's go get that going. So now, if you can hear, I'm inflating it. Air is gonna come out here, it's fine. Going through this tube. All right, so I've inflated it now this much. I'm gonna go slide the cover over top and then take it outside and fill up all the way. Now we're outside, just filling it up with air. And still we'll fill up the water. 8:15, and I'm filling up the hot tub now. Now this is smaller than the other one, so it should only take, I don't think it'll take more than an hour to fill up, maybe less. Now this hose is a little slower than the other one, but the other one is, it takes long to get out and get ready, so this is it. And hopefully it'll fill up. Well, once it gets to a certain level, then I'll turn the heat on, the pumps on, and put the chemicals in. You're good to go. All right, so you have the cover here. I folded it out, and then I'm gonna put the bladder inside. But the cover also is slightly insulated, so that should make it more efficient than the other one I had. All right, it's all tucked in inside this little lip thing. I'm gonna fill it up. The instructions say to use the hot tub air pump to do it, but since I have another Ryobi thing, I'm just gonna do it that way while it fills up. So I'm gonna use this little Ryobi pump and pump up the inside. It's 9:30 p.m. All right, it's been an hour and 15 minutes. We're at the max line there. So time to turn off, and I'll shock it, some chemicals, and then put the cover on and turn it on. So let's go turn this on here. See the temperature is. Turn it on. I'm gonna set it to Fahrenheit, so the water is 45. Let's see if it stays true. Now we have the heater on. Let's see if I don't think any water is leaking. I'll turn my light on. Yeah, I don't see any water leaks or anything down there. Hearing some vibration, but it should be fine. Anyway, yeah, the water is 45 degrees. This thing moves up. Oh, really cool like that. And these are little cup holders, which is actually kind of nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go put some chemicals in, just the shock stuff, basically, a clarifier, and put the cover on. And then let's see, it's 9:30 p.m. on a Thursday night. It's about 30, I think I checked, it was like 36 degrees right now, or 38. And it's gonna go down to 30 overnight. Let's see how long it takes to heat up to 100 some degrees. All right, well, the cover's on now, and hopefully it straightens out a little bit. Kind of tightened it, but it still seems a little loose. But yeah, so still 45 degrees. My last one was like an hour ago, 1.5 degrees, 2 degrees, probably 1.5 degrees. I'm assuming this will be a little faster. So. All right, so it's 9:30 in the morning. It's been heating up for 12 hours now. It currently says it is, you can see, 72 degrees. So in 12 hours, from 45 to 72, that's a 27 degree increase. So if I extrapolate that, 9:30 tonight, well, we'll be at 99 degrees. But hopefully, with the today being warmer, like I said, it's 36 now, it's cooler overnight, but today I think it's gonna hit 40 something, low 40s. So it should heat up to 100, at least 100 is what I'm looking for, but hopefully a little higher, and then and get it. All right, so it ended up taking more than 24 hours to heat this hot tub up. After 24 hours, it was like at 93 degrees, I believe, or 94. So I needed a little bit longer than that, but it was definitely faster than the previous one I had. So I've been in it for a couple weeks now, 2 weeks now, and I like it a lot better. I'll make another video soon about why I like this Costco hot tub better than my previous one, the Coleman one. But I'll get into it later on for that. Either way, like this video. Hopefully, if you see it on sale at Costco, go for it. If I can find a link to this model, I'll put it in the description, as well as all the chemicals I use as well. All right, thanks for watching. This is a future president of the United States, Sean Gannon, signing off.